Okay, good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? What did we discuss the integration topic? This is normal integration. Normal integration. So today, method of integrations. Method of integrations. What is the first one? Integration by substitution. Integration by substitution. Second one, integration by using partial fraction. Third one, integration by parts. Maximum 90% to this method is 2 marks question, 3 marks question, 3 marks question. Maximum. Okay. The 1 mark question in the first exercise, normal integration, 1 mark question, 2 marks question, 2 3 marks question. So this is the very important methods. The first method, integration by substitution. What is the meaning of, for example, integral tan x? Listen carefully. Integral tan x. Already discussed the formula. Already direct answer, integral tan x dx is equal to log mod secant x. Integral cot x dx is equal to log mod sin x. Integral secant x, integral cosecant x. This one is already discussed. So this is discussed, okay, but this is explanation by using substitution method. Integral tan x, finding integral tan x, the value of integral tan x by using substitution method. So what is integral tan x is nothing but sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x. So next, put denominator, not numerator. Numerator, denominator. In the denominator, put cos x is equal to t. This is the procedure. Okay, sin x is t, no use. Okay, take t is equal to cos x. Next, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of cos x minus sin x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. Derivative of t. Derivative of y is equal to dy by dx. Derivative of t is equal to dt by dx. With respect to x means dt by dx. With respect to theta, dt by d theta. So dt by dx. Cross multiplication in sin x dx only. This is only sin x dx one side, remaining r goes to another side, minus dt, because sin x dx. Okay, for example, sin x is equal to t, I have to take sin x is equal to t, but cos x dx is equal to dt. Either cos x dx is always in the numerator, not denominator, numerator. So 1 by cos x dx is equal to line, only cos x dx is equal to dt. So this is procedure, sin x is equal to t is wrong because no use. The cos x is equal to t, you have to can take, it is easy to calculate. Okay, sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So that is equal to integral sin x dx value minus dt, cos x is equal to what? T. Okay, so that is equal to integral 1 by x. Integral 1 by x is equal to log x minus integral 1 by t log t plus c, that is equal to minus log of, must be converted into the answer is converted into in terms of x, because the given problem is given in the variable x. So the answer is also in terms of x. Okay, log t equal to cos t plus c. So that is equal to log of formula, a formula log a power m is equal to m log a. Log a power m is equal to m log a. M log a is equal to log a power, and this is into, this is goes to power. This is into minus 1 goes to power. Cos t whole inverse. Cos t whole inverse is equal to what? Cos t whole inverse 1 by cos t. X inverse is equal to 1 by x. Cos x whole inverse is equal to 1 by cos x. So log mod 1 by cos t plus c. 1 by cos t plus c. So what is t? T is equal to cos x. T is equal to cos x. So 1 by cos x. So that is equal to 1 by cos x is equal to what? Log mod secant x plus c. This is the okay. Okay, next. And the same way, integral cot x dx you have to prove. Next, integral secant x dx. Integral secant x dx is equal to integral secant x into divide and multiply secant x plus tan x. Divide and multiply secant x into tan x. Secant x plus tan x dx. Okay, so that is equal to divide and multiply secant x plus tan x. So next, secant x into secant x, secant square x plus secant x into tan x, secant x into tan x by secant x plus tan x dx. Okay, now put secant x plus tan x is equal to t denominator. Secant x derivative differentiate with respect to x. Secant x derivative secant x into tan x plus tan x derivative secant square x total dx is equal to dt. So look at, see, numerator secant square x plus secant x into tan x. So what is integral dt by t? Secant x plus tan x is equal to t. Secant square plus 2 secant x into tan x is equal to dt. So integral 1 by t is equal to log t. What is t? Log mod t is equal to secant x plus tan x plus c. Okay, this problem in your page number 301, page number 301, 302, page number 301, 302, this is the models. Okay, this one. Okay, next one. Integral cosecant x dx. Integral cosecant x is equal to cosecant x divide and multiply cosecant x minus cot x by cosecant x minus cot x dx. Okay, you can do. So multiply cosecant x into cosecant x, cosecant square x minus cosecant x into cot x by cosecant x into minus cot x dx. So integral what is d? Cosecant x minus cot x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Cosecant x derivative of cosecant x minus cosecant x into cot x minus cot x derivative minus cosecant square x minus cosecant square x dx is equal to dt. So minus into minus plus cosecant square x minus cosecant x into cot x dx is equal to what? dt. So this is numerator dt, this is the substitution. Only cosecant square x minus cosecant x into cot x dx is equal to dt by this is t. Integral 1 by x log x, integral 1 by t log t plus c. So that is equal to log mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. Okay. Next, go to the exercise. These are formulas: integral tan x dx, integral cot x dx, integral secant x dx, integral cosecant x dx. These four are formulas. And next, going to exercise 7.2. These are very simple. Very simple. So listen carefully. Integral 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Integral dx by 1 plus x square dx. The totally exercise the same substitution method. The all problems use the same method, maximum single method, same method. What is the method? First of all, this is numerator 2x, this is the function, polynomial function or any trigonometry function or any function. First of all, this is functions are 2x is a one function by 1 plus x square is another function. This is f of x by g of x, f of x by g of x, f of x into g of x, e type. At the same way, f of x plus g of x go, you know, integral f of x plus g of x is equal to what? Integral f of x plus integral g of x. So integral f of x minus g of x is equal to integral f of x minus integral g of x dx. So integral f of x by g of x, not a formula. F of x and g of x, there is no procedure, there is no formula in first starting. So this is the formula of f of x by g of x. This type of problem, first step 1, take anyone. First take t. This is f of x, this is g of x. Which one? Okay, which one is taken t? We have to take t. Which function? F of x, g of x. In two functions, which function we have to take t? Means which function you have to take t, that derivative is there. Derivative also there. The function is there. That function derivative also is there in the problem. Okay, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೀವು ಟಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀರೋ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నౌ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2x is equal to t. 2x derivative 2 2x derivative 2 is there. So 1 plus x square is equal to t. 1 plus x square is equal to t. What is the derivative of 1 plus x square? 1 plus x square derivative is equal to 2x. So the 1 plus x square derivative is there. Understand? ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಟಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತಾರೋ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೀವು ಟಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2x ಟಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? 2x ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ 2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ 2x, ಇದು 2x ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಟಿ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಬೇಕನ್ಕೋ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ, ಇಲ್ಲ 2 ಬೇಕನ್ಕೋ 1/2 ಇಂಟು 2/2 1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ವಿತ್ 2. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೌ put 1 plus x square is equal to t. Next, they will differentiate with respect to x, not t. Differentiate with respect to t only. 1 plus x square, 1 derivative 0, x square derivative, not integration, derivative. X square derivative 2x is equal to 2x is equal to dt by dx. Okay, separate, cross multiplication. 2x dx is equal to dt. Okay, now substitute here. Now 2x dx is equal to dt. 2x dx is equal to dt by 1 plus x square is equal to t. The function in the variable t with respect to t. So integral 1 by t, integral 1 by x log x. So log mod t plus c, that is equal to log mod 1 plus x square plus c. Are clear? Next, second one, log x whole square by integral log x whole square by x dx. So that is equal to integral log x whole square by 1 by x means into 1 by x dx, into 1 by x dx. Log x whole square into 1 by x dx. So which one is the derivative of log, not integration, derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. This is the one function, this is another function, f of x into g of x. No formula. So 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square, not log x. Log x derivative 1 by x. So here take put log x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x, derivative of log x 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So 1 by x dx dt, log x is equal to t, so t square dt, integral t square is equal to integral x power n, integral x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So t power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, that is equal to t cube by 3. What is t finally? We have to substitute t value. Okay, otherwise wrong. Log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Clear? Simple problems. 2 marks questions compulsory by use substitution method. Okay, next 1 by x plus x log x. Third one, integral 1 by x plus x log x dx. So that is equal to integral 1 by x common, so 1 plus log x dx. So 1 by x log x, which one is t? Log x is equal to t. So put 1 plus log x derivative 1 by x, 1 plus log x derivative also 1 by x. So 1 plus log x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x, 0 plus 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So this is the procedure. So 1 by x dx equal to dt by 1 plus log x is equal to t. Integral 1 by t is equal to log t plus c. So what is log? T is equal to 1 plus log x. This one. Okay. Integral sin x into sin of log x. Integral sin x into sin of log x dx, sin of cos x. This type of problems, sin x derivative cos x derivative sin x minus sin x. So sin x is equal to t or cos x is equal to t. Which one is best? Which one is the best one? Cos inside is sin of, root of, log of, tan of, log of, sin of, root of. This type of functions taken t is best. Okay. So put cos x is equal to t, sin x koda t, okay, but no use. But cos x is equal to t, confusion, you have any confusion, so inside value root cube root of log of tan of, this type of in bracket in bracket value we have to, we can take t. So cos x derivative minus sin x dx is equal to dt, differentiate with respect to x. So sin x dx is equal to minus dt, sin x dx is equal to minus dt, equal sin x dx equal to minus dt. So sin of cos x is equal to t. So dx sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So integral sin x is equal to minus my already minus is there, 1 minus integral sin t minus cos t plus c. So cos t is equal to what? Cos x, cos of cos x plus c. Sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b, integral sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. Here sin x derivative cos x. Which one is t? This one is t. This is also t, no problem. But cos x derivative minus sin x. So sin x derivative cos x. So the best one is put sin of ax plus b is equal to t. Sin derivative cos of ax plus b into derivative of ax plus b is equal to a dx is equal to dt. So cos of ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a dt. So integral sin of ax plus b dx emo t, cos of ax plus b into dx is equal to 1 by a into t. Sin of ax plus b t into 1 by a into dt, that is equal to 1 by a constant to integral t dt. So that is equal to 1 by a into integral x square by 2 integral t square by 2 plus c. What is t? 1 by 2 into 2a into what is t? Sin of ax plus b, sin of ax plus b whole square plus c. This one. Okay, simple problems. Integral x into root of x plus 2 dx. Which one is t? Inside, root inside value, x plus 2 is equal to t. Okay, put x plus 2 is equal to t, derivative of x 1 no, derivative of 2 0, dx is equal to dt. Finally dx is equal to dt, that implies x is equal to what? T minus 2. X is equal to t minus 2. Or simply x plus 2 is equal to t square. Same. X plus t square means there is no root to simple we have to calculate simple calculation. So integral, what is x? X is equal to t minus 2 root x plus 2 is equal to t, dx is equal to dt, integral t into root t minus 2 root t dt. T root t is equal to integral 1 plus 1 by 2 t power 32 by 3 dt minus 2 into integral t power 1 by 2 dt, t power 3 by 2. What is the exponent formula? Integral exponent is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 no. T power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 no, minus 2 into t by 2 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So 3 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2. 1 by 5 by 2 is equal to 2 by 5. 3 power 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 no 3 by 2. 3 by 2 1 by 3 by 2 2 by 2 4 by 3. 4 by 3 into 3 power 2 by 2 plus c. What is t? X plus 2. So 2 by 5 into x plus 2 whole power 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3 into t is equal to x plus 2 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Next one, integral 4x plus 2 integral 4x plus 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1 dx. X square plus x plus 1 dx. So which one is t? Inside, root inside, there is no thought, there is no thinking. Directly in root inside take t. So put in root inside value x square plus x plus 1 is equal to t. Derivative of x square 2x, derivative of x 1, derivative of 1 0, dx is equal to dt. So x square plus 1. So 2x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt. Here 4x plus 2, 2 common, 2x plus 1, no. 4x plus 1, 4x plus 2 convert into 2 into 2x plus 1, 4x plus 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1 dx. Integral 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1 into dx. 2x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. So 2 constant, 2x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt. So root x square plus x plus 1 no t, root t. So 2x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. So t into t power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, that is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 4 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c, that is equal to 4 by 3 into what is t? T is equal to x square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. 4 by 3 into x square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus 1. This one, okay. Next, next question. X by root of x plus 4 integral x by root of x plus 4 dx. What we have to taken? Put x plus 4 is equal to t, root value. So x derivative 1, 4 derivative 0, dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to dt. That implies what is x? X is equal to t minus 4. So x is equal to t minus 4 by root t. X plus 4 is equal to t root t. Dx is equal to dt. So integral t by root t minus 4 by root t dt. T by root t is equal to root t dt minus 4 into integral 1 by root t dt. So root t is equal to integral t power 1 by 2 dt minus 4 into integral t power minus 1 by 2 dt. T power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 4 into t power 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So 3 by 2 by 3 t power 3 by 2 minus 8 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. 4 by 1 by 2 is equal to 8 t power 1 by 2 plus e. What is t? T is equal to x plus 4. 2 by 3 into x plus 4 whole power 3 by 2 minus 8 into x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 plus c. Root inside value taken t is 100%. There is no problem. Okay. Integral x cube minus 1 integral x cube minus 1 into x power 5 x cube minus 1 into x power 5 whole power 1 by 3 dx. So what we have taken t? What is t? x cube minus 1 is equal to t. X cube derivative 3x square minus 0, 1 derivative 0, dx is equal to dt. So that implies x cube is equal to x cube is equal to what? T plus 1. X cube is equal to t plus 1. So x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt. So integral the x cube minus 1 is equal to, this is the cube root. 1 by 3 means what? I go power 1 by 3 means cube root of 3. Cube root of 3 means inside value taken t. So x cube minus 1 is equal to t power 1 by 3. So x power 5 is equal to x cube into x square. X power 5 is equal to x cube into x square. So x cube is equal to t plus 1. Okay, x cube is equal to t plus 1 now. Remaining x square has integral. Any doubt? Integral x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 into x cube into x square dx. So t power 1 by 3 into x cube is equal to t plus 1 now. So x square is equal to x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt. So t power 1 by multiply t power 1 by 3 into t plus t power 1 by 3. The 1 by 3 constant into dt. So 1 by 3 into t power 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 that is equal to 4 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1. So integral t power 4 by 3 plus t power 1 by 3 dt. So finally 1 by 3 into t power 4 by 3 integral t power n. So t power 4 by 3 plus 1 by 4 by 3 plus 1 plus t power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. What is the formula? Integral x power n. Integral x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. 4 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 3. 1 by 7 by 3, 3 by 7. So 1 by 7 into, what is t? X cube minus 1. X cube minus 1 whole power 7 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. 1 by 4 by 3 is equal to 3 by 4. X cube minus 1 whole power 4 by 3 plus c. Okay. This is one type of problems. Tomorrow next continuation of some problems. Okay. Okay, thank you.